Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're talking about something that could literally save your life and the lives of your loved ones. We're diving into why you need a carbon monoxide detector not just in your home, but also in your office, and yes, even when you're on the go. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll realize a $20 device can make all the difference. Let's get into it. First, what is carbon monoxide, or CO for short? Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, tasteless gas that's produced when fuels like gas, oil, wood, or charcoal burn incompletely. Because your senses can't detect it, it's often called the silent killer. In fact, according to the CDC, over 400 people die from accidental CO poisoning every year in the US, and more than 50,000 visit the emergency room. And get this, most of those incidents happen right in homes and workplaces. Not in factories, not in dangerous job sites, but in everyday places where you live and work. Let's start with your home. Your home is full of appliances that can potentially emit carbon monoxide. Gas stoves, furnaces, water heaters, fireplaces, and even attached garages. Ever warmed up your car in a closed garage or ran a gas generator during a power outage? Those activities can quickly cause CO buildup, and it doesn't take long. Even low levels of CO exposure over time can cause symptoms like headaches, dizziness, nausea, confusion. Please subscribe to our channel. And at high levels, CO can make you lose consciousness within minutes. The scariest part? If you're asleep, you might never wake up. That's why experts recommend installing a CO detector on every level of your home, especially near sleeping areas. It works just like a smoke alarm. When it detects dangerous levels of CO, it sounds a loud alarm to alert you. A good rule of thumb: test it once a month, replace the batteries every 6 months, and swap out the detector every 5 to 7 years, depending on the model. Now let's talk about the office. You might think, I'm just sitting at my desk. Why would I worry about carbon monoxide? But many office buildings have HVAC systems, backup generators, furnaces, and even underground parking garages. If any of those systems malfunction, or if vehicle exhaust seeps into the building, you could be breathing in CO without realizing it. There have been real cases where entire office buildings had to evacuate because CO was leaking from a faulty boiler or exhaust system. The good news is, some modern office buildings already have commercial-grade CO monitoring built in, but if you're unsure, it doesn't hurt to ask your building manager, or even bring a small plug-in detector for your personal workspace. Better safe than sorry, right? Links to some of the best carbon monoxide detectors are in the description. You can check them out if you want to buy one. Okay, now here's the part most people don't think about: having a CO detector on the go. Why would you carry one? Well, think about the places you stay when traveling. Hotel rooms with old heaters, rental properties with fireplaces, cabins, RVs, or boats with gas-powered appliances. Please subscribe to our channel. These places may not have CO detectors installed. Or if they do, you don't know if they're working. There have been multiple tragic cases where travelers were poisoned by CO in hotels or vacation rentals. The solution? Grab a portable carbon monoxide detector. They're lightweight, battery-powered, and fit in a backpack or suitcase. You can even take one camping or use it in an RV or boat where gas heaters and stoves are common. And here's a pro tip. If you're doing long road trips in winter and idling your car, crack a window and keep a detector in the vehicle. It's rare, but blocked exhaust pipes in snowy conditions can cause CO buildup inside the cabin. So, how do you choose the right CO detector? Here are some quick buying tips. For home, look for models that are battery-operated or plug-in, with battery backup. For office, compact plug-in detectors work well. For travel, go with a portable battery-powered model. Links to some of the best carbon monoxide detectors are in the description. You can check them out if you want to buy one. Make sure any detector you buy meets UL, Underwriters Laboratories, standards. That ensures it's been properly tested for safety. And bonus, many modern detectors combine carbon monoxide and smoke detection in one device. Finally, don't forget, Replace the detector itself every 5 to 7 years, even if it still powers on. The sensors lose accuracy over time. All right, to wrap it all up, carbon monoxide is silent, invisible, and potentially deadly. But it's 100% preventable with the right detectors in the right places. At home, in the office, and when you travel, a $20–50 device can save your life. So if you don't already have one, now's the time to get it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more safety tips and smart living guides. Until next time, stay safe and breathe easy.